Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What's the translation of that?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Whoever believes in God, put both hands up like this. Lean back, take a deep breath, and say, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. Okay, say it louder now. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. Everyone's happy? Festival means happy. We've all come here to be happy. Why are we happy? Because Jagannatha's happy, he's always smiling. So through this festival, Lord Jagannatha is giving his mercy to all the unhappy people in this miserable material world. Everyone wants to be happy, is it not? Anyone disagree? We can hit you on the head with a hammer. Everyone wants to be happy, but in this material world, there are all kinds of things that make us unhappy. Monday morning, Monday midday, Monday night, Tuesday morning, the great struggle for existence. But we are meant to be happy always and every moment. That is our original spiritual nature. That happiness that we're looking for in tourism, in taking our dog for a walk, in beer, B-E-R, beer, in sex. That happiness is not real happiness. Real happiness is the happiness of the soul that continues eternally. We are all eternal living beings. When we die, we don't die. The body dies. We live eternally. And we go from body to body to body looking for happiness. Lord Jagannath is here to remind us that we can be happy with Him eternally. That happiness is by singing the holy names of Krishna. When you chant Hare Krishna, automatically you feel happy. We'll give it another try. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Singing the holy names of Krishna, dancing. Festival means there's also nice food. So in Krishna consciousness, we have a festival every day. Every day of our lives, we rise early in the morning and sing and dance in glorification of Krishna. And in this way, we experience actual happiness, spiritual happiness. And at the time of death, we don't take birth again in this world, but we go to the spiritual world with Krishna. And in the spiritual world, there's an eternal festival of singing and dancing with Krishna. So this festival is an invitation to everyone to come and join us in this world in chanting Hare Krishna. Then we can all go to the spiritual world and chant Hare Krishna and dance with Krishna eternally. This is not a sentimental religious movement. Very happy movement, but there's very solid philosophical basis to this. Bhagavad Gita, as stated in the Bhagavad Gita, which are the teachings of Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna teaches us how we can approach Him in full purity and happiness. That we are eternal spiritual beings suffering due to illusion in this material world. So if you don't have this book in your home, please get it and acquire this transcendental knowledge by which you can be happy forever. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Rama Rama.
Rama Rama.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Ananda Maharaj, want to come and say something? I don't have it. Okay, Prahlad Maharaj will come in the meantime. We have 5 seconds till we come. What shall we do? We can chant.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai Jagannatha, Jai Baladev, Jai Subhadra.